Marketing agencies are hired for their expertise and creativity to help businesses scale quickly and efficiently. To deliver exceptional results, you need to keep track of everything that is happening. The best proven way to do this is by using a Kanban board, a visual project management tool that uses columns and cards to represent tasks and track their progress from start to finish. Let me show you how I would set it up. You can use your favorite project management tool, but we strongly recommend that you try Kanbanchi. It is linked in the description. Let's say you have a client who wants a video ad campaign on YouTube and another one who wants a photo campaign on Facebook. How should we set up the board? Let's think about the stages of the video creating process and create a separate list for each of them. Obviously, we should start with SEO research and script creation. The next stage will be shooting the video, followed by video editing. When our video is ready, we can proceed with setting up and running the ads campaign. Finally, I want to make sure that the campaign is monitored and analyzed after it is published, so I'm creating a list for this. You may combine several clients on the same Kanbanchi board. To differentiate them easily, you can use color labels. Each task can be split into manageable steps with the help of checklists. Obviously, there will be several agency employees taking care of this process, so assign tasks to creators, editors, and analysts to separate the areas of responsibility. Our next client wants to promote their business with the help of a Facebook advertising photo campaign. Very good! Again, let's think about the tasks that should be fulfilled. But this time, I want to show you the other way you can structure your task board. Let's leave the classic Kanban lists – to do, doing, and done, and create a card for the task. All the activities that should be performed for this task will be its subcards. Let's add them. We need to plan a photo shoot and invite a photographer. Then the photos will need to be edited. Our next step is to schedule and launch Facebook ads, and finally, monitor and report on Facebook ad performance. The progress of the main card will depend on the progress of its subcards. Thus, you will ensure that none of the tasks are overlooked. You can even pin the list of subcards to the epic for effortless navigation. If you deal with the same structure for different clients, don't forget about the opportunity to automate your workflow. In Kanbanchi, you may use card templates. Here, you may even create card groups and bring them to the board for the next client in just one click. The more clients you get, the more you'll see how a simple Kanban board will help you save time and be successful. Get full access to Kanbanchi now at amazing 40% discount, or watch this video that explains how to create better to-do lists.